Hi everyone, today we shall see the topic reserpine. Okay, we shall see the topic reserpine. So, coming to the biological source of reserpine. Biological source of reserpine. Okay, so reserpine is an indole alkaloid. It is an indole alkaloid. Okay, so it is an indole alkaloid which is obtained from roots. Okay, so it is an indole alkaloid which is obtained from roots of the plant Rauwolfia serpentina. Okay, which is obtained from Rauwolfia serpentina. And other species of Rauwolfia such as Rauwolfia vomitora or Rauwolfia tetraphylla. Okay, understood. Reserpine is an indole alkaloid. Classification of alkaloids లో మీకు ఇండోల్ ఆల్కలాయిడ్ అనేది ఒక క్లాసిఫికేషన్ అనమాట. ఓకే, ఒక టైప్ అనమాట. సో reserpine belongs to the category indole alkaloid. So reserpine is an indole alkaloid which is obtained from the roots of the plant Rauwolfia serpentina and various other species of Rauwolfia such as Rauwolfia vomitora, Rauwolfia tetraphylla belonging to the family Apocynaceae. Okay, belonging to the family Apocynaceae. Next one is isolation or extraction and isolation. Okay, so next one is extraction and isolation. Next is extraction and isolation. So this we shall study in 3 steps. Okay, 3 steps లో చదువుకుందాము. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఓకే, స్టెప్ 1. ఓకే, సో స్టెప్ 1లో తీసుకుంటే ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ రూట్ పౌడర్. Okay, first we have to take the root powder. The root powder is been extracted with 90% alcohol. So in first step you have to mainly remember that it is been extracted with 90% alcohol. Okay, so 90% alcohol by a process known as percolation. We have already studied the percolation process. If you remember, we have a V-shaped structure, okay, vessel or something with a tap, right? Understood? On that like these layers will be placed, remember? So what will happen when we what we say add the solvent system? The solvent system will travel through all these layers of what we say pebbles, sand, okay, and then the drug, all these things they will travel, and then finally you get the product. In this process we also find filtration is been done, right? So this is known as percolation process. So first step lo this is just for your explanation. Okay, so in the first step what you have taken the root powder, along with that 90% alcohol is been added to do the extraction process known as percolation. Okay, finally it is been filtered, okay, and concentrated and dried. Okay, understood? This is the first process. What we have done, we have taken the root powder, to that we have added 90% alcohol. Okay, we have added 90% alcohol, and then we have done the extraction process known as percolation, and then after the percolation process we have filtered it, we have concentrated it, and finally dried. We have gotten a small dried product. Okay, next is step 2. No need to write in this steps form, okay? Just for your explanation or for your remembrance, I am just saying this all things, okay, in step by step process, so that it can be easily grasped, okay? So first step lo manam alcohol use chesam kada, so second step lo kuda we have to use alcohol. That just remember that point, okay? So in second step what we take, we have to take this dried product, okay? The dried product is been taken, the dried residue is taken. To that, okay, ether is to chloroform is to 90% alcohol, okay? This alcohol again you will get over here, okay? Ether is to chloroform is to 90% alcohol is been used in a ratio of 20 is to 8 is to 2.5, okay? 20 is to 8 is to 2.5. సో ఈ ఫామ్లో తీసుకుని, ఓకే, ఈథర్ ఇస్ టు క్లోరోఫామ్ ఇస్ టు 90% ఆల్కహాల్, ఇట్ ఈస్ అగైన్ బీన్ ఎక్స్ట్రాక్టెడ్. So first step we have used 90% alcohol, and then we have done the extraction process. We have filtered it, concentrated and dried. Again we have taken the dried product, okay, and then we are extracting it with ether is to chloroform is to 90% alcohol. Again we have taken the alcohol. Just remember the alcohol, then you'll get these two, okay, ether is to chloroform in a ratio of 20 is to 8 is to 2.5, okay? So then we are adding dilute ammonia, okay? So what we are adding, we are adding ammonia. Then what will happen, the alkaloids which are present in this, they are converted into water insoluble alkaloids, ఓకే? సో ఎప్పుడైతే మనం డైల్యూట్ అమోనియా యాడ్ చేస్తామో అప్పుడు the alkaloids which are present in this extract, okay, they what they will convert into, they will convert into water insoluble alkaloids, understood? So then what we have to do, we have to separate the alkaloids, right? So when they are converting into water insoluble alkaloids, then we have to add water, okay? So the next process is we have to add water. So what we do, we will add water with vigorous shaking. With vigorous shaking, water is been added and they are kept aside, and it is been kept aside. Then what will happen, the whole layer will be like this, okay? We will get two layers, one will be the water layer and one will be our alkaloid layer, okay? Then it is again filtered, okay? Again it is been filtered, okay? Understood till here? This is the step 2 process. First step what we have done, we have added 90% alcohol, okay? We have done the percolation extraction process, and then we have filtered it, concentrated and dried, right? And the second process, we have taken the dried residue, okay? To that we have added chloroform is to okay, acetone is to ether is to chloroform is to 90% alcohol, again in a ratio of 20 is to 8 is to 2.5, right? Again to that we have added dilute ammonia, okay? Then what will happen, the alkaloids which are present inside it, they convert into water insoluble alkaloids. Then we add, as it has become a water insoluble, then we will add water to it, okay, with vigorous shaking. Then it will divide into two layers, then we filter it off, okay? Understood till here? So again filtration we have done, right? We have done the filtration. Then the whole water soluble particles, what we have said, all those will be coming out, so the residue is left, right? Next one is step 3. In the step 3 process, again we are taking the residue, understood? Again we are taking the residue, okay? To this residue we are adding 0.5 normal H2SO4, okay? What we have added, ఇందాక పైన ఏం యాడ్ చేసాం మనం, అమోనియా యాడ్ చేసాము. అమోనియా వల్ల ఏం జరిగింది, వాటర్ ఇన్సాల్యుబుల్కి కన్వర్ట్ అయినప్పుడు వాటర్ యాడ్ చేసేసాం. ఓకే, సో వాటర్ యాడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత అది 2 లేయర్స్ కింద ఫిల్టర్ అయింది, దాన్ని తీసేసుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ యాసిడ్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, పైన మనం అమోనియా యాడ్ చేసాం కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ మనం యాడ్ చేయాల్సింది యాసిడ్. ఓకే, సో యాసిడ్ యాడ్ చేసాం. యాసిడ్ ఎంత యాడ్ చేయాలి అంటే 4 వాల్యూమ్స్ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. సపోజ్ ఇది 50 ml అనుకోండి, మనకు వచ్చిన రెసిడ్యూ 50 ml అనుకోండి. ఓకేనా, 50 ml ఆఫ్ రెసిడ్యూ వచ్చింది అనుకుందాం. దీనికి 4 వాల్యూమ్స్ అంటే 200 ml ఆఫ్ H2SO4 యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా, సో అది యాడ్ చేసేస్తాం ఫస్ట్. ఓకేనా, యాడ్ చేసేసిన తర్వాత వి అగైన్ ఫిల్టర్ ఇట్. వాట్ వి డూ, వి అగైన్ ఫిల్టర్ ఇట్ అండ్ వి యాడ్ అమోనియా అగైన్ టు బెసిఫై ఆర్ అగైన్ టు డైల్యూట్ ఇట్. ఇక్కడ యాసిడ్ యాడ్ చేసి ఫస్ట్ అమోనియా యాడ్ చేసాము, వాటర్ ఇన్సాల్యుబుల్ అయిపోయినాయి. ఆ వాటర్ యాడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇన్సాల్యుబుల్ పార్టికల్స్ పక్కకు తీసేసి ఆ పై పార్టికల్స్ తీసుకున్నాం, రెసిడ్యూ తీసుకున్నాం. ఆ రెసిడ్యూని మళ్ళీ యాసిడిఫై చేసుకున్నాం విత్ 0.5 నార్మల్ H2SO4 4 వాల్యూమ్స్. ఓకే, to that again we have filtered it and again we are diluting it with ammonia. Okay, now this whole ammonia add చేసిన తర్వాత whole thing is been extracted with chloroform. Okay, the last point is chloroform. Okay, to that after extraction of the chloroform it is been filtered. Okay, so after the filtration process it is been concentrated and dried. Okay, done till here, understood, right? So this chloroform which we got here, no, filtration అయిపోయిన తర్వాత it is been distilled off. I forgot this point. ఓకే, డిస్టిలేషన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, క్లోరోఫామ్ అనేది డిస్టిల్ అయిపోతుంది, మనకు ఒక రెసిడ్యూ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది కదా, దాన్ని మనం కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేసుకుని ట్రై చేసుకుంటాం. బట్ ద మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ హియర్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్, దిస్ ఫైనల్ ప్రోడక్ట్ జనరల్లీ కంటైన్స్ 30 ఆల్కలాయిడ్స్. ఓకే, 30 alkaloids, but what we want reserpine, right? So for reserpine again we need to do column chromatography. Again what we have to do, column chromatography. Then what will happen, we place the residue which we have found in the last part, right? We have found here last one, so that residue has been taken on the top and silica gel is been coated, and to that again we add solvent system. Finally at an RF, ఓకే, బ్యాండ్స్ ఫామ్ అవుతాయి కదా, ఆ బ్యాండ్స్ని మనం కలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాము. ఆ కలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్న దాంట్లో ప్యూర్ రెసర్పైన్ అనేది వస్తుంది, విచ్ కెన్ బి డిటెక్టెడ్ విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ RF వాల్యూ. ఓకే, డన్, అండర్స్టూడ్ టిల్ హియర్. షల్ ఐ టెల్ అగైన్? హియర్ సీ, ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్, చిన్నది పడుకుంటుందా? పర్లేదు చెప్పు, వీడియో రికార్డింగ్ అవని పోలే, పర్లేదు చెప్పు. పడుకొని ఒక 2 నిమిషాలు అయిపోతాయి. So in the first step what we have done, we have taken the root powder, we have added 90% alcohol, we have extracted with the percolation process. Okay, then we have filtered it and concentrated and dried. Okay, remember 90% alcohol process. Okay, then after drying, this dried product is been taken in the second step. This dried product is been then extracted with ether is to chloroform is to 90% alcohol. Okay, in the ratio of 20:8 is to 2.5. To that we have to do dilute with ammonia. Okay, గుర్తుంచుకోండి బాగా, ఫస్ట్ అమోనియాతో డైల్యూట్ చేస్తాం, మళ్ళీ ఎసిడిఫై చేస్తాం, 0.5 నార్మల్ H2SO4తో మళ్ళీ డైల్యూట్ చేస్తాం. ఈ ప్రాసెస్ గుర్తుంచుకుంటే అన్నీ గుర్తుంటాయి. ఓకే, డైల్యూట్ అమోనియా యాడ్ చేసి దాన్ని డైల్యూట్ చేసాం. అప్పుడు ఏమైనాయి, దెన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, water insoluble alkaloids. Okay, the alkaloids which are present inside this extract are converted into water insoluble alkaloids. So we have to add again water. So vigorous shaking, we have added water and we have kept it aside. Then we obtain 2 layers which has been filtered out. Okay, this residue is again taken and it is been extracted with 0.5 normal H2SO4 4 volumes. Okay, it is again been filtered and to that filtrate ammonia has been added. Okay, acid is added, again ammonia is added. It has been then extracted with chloroform. This again filtered okay, and the chloroform is been distilled off. Distillation cheste it will the chloroform get distilled off, and the final extract is obtained, which is been concentrated and dried. In this final extract you have 30 alkalides, but we need reserpine. So finally column chromatography is been done to obtain the final product, that is reserpine. Understood everyone? Next comes to structure. Okay, next is the structure. Structure is also very easy. I will tell you the easy steps. First you remember the basic nucleus part, that is, okay, sorry, here I will draw. Okay, these two you remember. Here you will get an N. Okay, this part you remember. Okay, next comes like this. Okay, here you will get double bond O. Here also you will get double bond O. Done? Till here you remember everything? Double bond O, double bond O. In between you will get an O, like this. You remember this structure. Okay, then here comes a benzene ring. Okay, here comes a benzene ring, and then here N came, right? So again you will get a N over here. Okay, and again a benzene ring. Understood? This basic structure you remember. This is the N benzene and this is the benzene ring to this double bond O attached with a benzene ring. Okay, here we got an N, so here also you will get an N, okay, with a benzene ring. Okay, reserpine, right? Reserpine, you remember reserpine, sir, 6. Okay, here in this 6 OCH3 groups has to be attached. Okay, 6 OCH3 groups have to be attached. So one will be over here, another one over here, another one over here. Okay, one over here, here 1 2 3 4 5, and the last one over here. Okay, this is your whole structure of reserpine. Hope you can easily remember this. Okay, first remember this benzene ring, N benzene and normal benzene ring. Okay, to that you have to attach the double bond O's till here. Again it is been attached with a benzene ring over here. In one corner benzene ring is been attached, and to the one corner, as it is N over here, you have to write a, okay, an attachment and a benzene ring. And totally reserpine contains 6 OCH3s. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, okay, OCH3 groups. This is the structure of reserpine. So it is generally yellow, okay, cream, crystalline substance, okay, crystalline substance which just gets darkened, okay, when exposure to sunlight or light. Okay, it is insoluble in water. It is insoluble in water, and it is freely soluble in acetic acid. It is freely soluble in acetic acid, and it is also soluble in alcohol, acetone, chloroform, etc. Okay, and the last one is TLC method. That is your identification test. Okay, that is the TLC method. Okay, so last one is the TLC method. It is very easy, as you know. How we prepare the sample preparation? 1 mg of the alkaloidal alkaloidal drug or reserpine is being taken in 1 ml of alcohol, that is methanol, sorry, that is methanol. Okay, 1 mg in 1 ml of methanol, that is your sample. Okay, next one is the stationary phase. Okay, same silica gel G. Okay, silica gel G, or you can also take alumina G. You can also take alumina G. Okay, that is one. Next one is the mobile phase. Okay, next one is the mobile phase. So here what mobile phase you use is you use chloroform is to, okay, chloroform is to acetone is to, okay, chloroform is to acetone is to diethylamine. Okay, chloroform is to acetone is to diethylamine in a ratio of 50 is to 40 is to 10. This is one mobile phase. You can also use another mobile phase, that is cyclohexane is to chloroform. Cyclohexane is to chloroform 30 is to 70. This is another what is a mobile phase. Okay, next detecting agent is Dragendorf's reagent. Dragendorf's reagent. Okay, Dragendorf's reagent. This is one of the detecting agent for what we said indole alkaloids. Okay, indole alkaloids. Next, RF value should be 0.72 or 0.35. RF value should be 0.72 or 0.35, and you will get a color spot, that is color spot. Orange color spots are been seen. Okay, orange color spots are been seen. So this is the description for reserpine. It's very easy. If you listen to my class, okay, this description twice, you will easily understand, and then you can write down on a paper without listening, then you will easily get it. Okay, that is about reserpine.